Pakistan's future depends on how well we educate our youth today. With a young population of about more than 60% today, with young politicians immense potential, our success will be determined by quality of universities and the strength of academic community. I have full confidence that Bahauddin Zakariya University, guided by committed faculty, responsible administration, and student-centered vision, will continue to serve as a true engine of development for South Punjab and Pakistan. It has been brought to my notice that there is a fund, National Development Program and Social Development Fund, that has been given to some of the universities who have not performed very well. That is Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamia University, Bahawalpur University of Narowal. Quaid-e-Azam University given 2 billion, Islamic University Bahawalpur 1 billion, and University of Narowal 10 billion. I would request the government, the federal government, that though you have given to these universities who there has been a deficit in the budget and they have not performed too well. But the university which has performed very well, like Bahauddin Zakariya University, they should also be given the funds because they have performed well. They should not be punished because they have done well. This should be given to them. And now, as there had been previously, one of our colleagues and a class fellow, he gave the campus to somewhere else and he faced the NAP. And today we legally, Ali Haider Gilani has given this facility that you can extend the whole of Punjab. And that's a great contribution. And the first demand I'm putting before the Vice Chancellor to give this one campus to Shujabad, because Shujabad, it was a far-sighted gift of South Punjab, recognizing the sustainable national development requires educational equity across all regions. I also pay tribute to the first Vice Chancellor, Dr. Khairat Ibn Rasa, whose vision and leadership laid the foundation of this great institution. Today, Bahauddin Zakariya University stands as the largest university of South Punjab, serving thousands of students and contributing meaningfully to the teaching, research, and regional development, integrity, and intellectual labor of its academic staff, whose commitment continues to shape generations of scholars, professionals, and public servants. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout my public life, I have consistently maintained that education is a foundation of national development, justice, social justice, and democratic stability. Whether serving as Prime Minister of Pakistan, as a federal minister, as the chairman of the Senate, I have regarded investment in education not as an expenditure, but as a long-term national obligation and a matter of state priority. During my contribution to higher education, thank you. May Allah guide us all and bless our efforts. Pakistan Zindabad.